Host, in the double-slit experiment, a photon behaves like a particle when observed, to like a wave when unobserved. This confuses many people. Mr. Zhang, my unified field theory explains this. Photons and electrons have two types of movement. One is the motion of the surrounding space, and the other is the particle's motion through space. These combine. For example, the photon's motion is spiral. A photon's particle-like nature comes from the way it is created. When a positive charge accelerates, it generates an opposite gravitational field, which reduces the electron's mass to zero. This excites it to move at the speed of light, and its movement forms a spiral wave. When you observe the photon, it switches from a wave to a particle because observation disrupts its excited state, converting it into a particle. Without observation, it continues moving as a wave. Electrons don't move at the speed of light, but instead combine space's movement with their own motion. This makes them behave like both waves and particles. One reason for this behavior is that we don't have particles smaller than photons or electrons to observe them. Extraterrestrials, on the other hand, can use field scanning where the field is an invisible substance with spiral motion. This allows them to observe photons without affecting their state. Another key point in quantum mechanics is that objects moving at the speed of light, such as photons, can appear in multiple places simultaneously. This is because they exist in a different kind of space, where infinite distances appear as zero to us. Finally, in unified field theory, whether an object is moving or stationary depends on the observer. Without an observer, it's impossible to determine its state.